Hey, good morning everybody. It is Friday morning. Probably a lot of you folks are either getting ready to go to work or you just got to work or something like that, but we're doing breakfast this morning. Getting ready to head out on the road today. We got to do a few errands first and heading down to Lexington just to hang out with the kids. Looking forward to that. Do a little hiking tomorrow. But last night we had a great Cajun seafood boil. That's basically what we did. We had a lot of shrimp and crawfish and potatoes and corn and andouille and all that good stuff.
I'm gonna mess it up. Good morning.
Yep. Well, see, there, found her. So wait a minute. There's Joyce. So anyway, one of our leftovers from last night was dirty rice. I'm not even sure if we even talked about that. So if any of you watched that episode, or you can go back and tell us if I even mentioned it. But we made dirty rice last night. So dirty rice, you take a pound of chicken livers, and chicken livers. A pound of chicken livers, a pound of sausage, and you fry that up and you brown that up nice. You make yourself up about 8 cups of basmati rice, and you're going to mix all that together with onions and peppers and a whole bunch of Cajun seasoning, my Cajun seasoning, of course. Mix all that up, and it is phenomenal. Okay, hi Kathy. But it's great, and so one of my favorite dishes for breakfast is dirty rice and eggs. That's it, dirty rice and eggs. So that's what I'm gonna make for you today. Just real quick, it's my breakfast as I get ready to go out on the road. So we're gonna heat some of that up. So,
Can I see you?
yeah, they can see me. I don't think they can see the pan yet. So I'm gonna guess if you wanna bring it, why don't you bring it over here? They can see. We're gonna move the camera.
Hold on.
Whoop, ding, ding. Beep, 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 coming down. All right, here we go. So
They still can't see you. Hold on.
there we go.
Okay.
Well,
You guys can really see more than we can, which
yeah,
is
we
a
got
little
titles
confusing.
and stuff across
so,
the
yeah.
bottom, but I think you can, if you can't see the pan, let me know. So anyway, so I've got my little omelet pan heating up.
Oh,
No,
it's.
it'll find
Oh,
me.
I'm getting out of the way.
It'll find me, we're good, we're good.
You got to get
So-
back in front of it.
Come here, over here. Well, I'll tell you what, why don't you bring it out, see if it'll lock in on this, maybe, I don't know. So I've got a little butter. Way too much heat. Turn that down a little bit. A little butter, swirl that around. And then we have some of our dirty rice from last night. I want a good pile of that.
You need a bigger plate.
Mama says I need a bigger plate. So, just enough to fill that up. This dirty rice, one of those things that the next day is really good. You can take it cold and all you want to do is heat it up and sort of brown it up in a skillet.
Kind of like corned beef hash.
Kind of like corned beef hash, is exactly right. You treat it the same way. So I'm just going to warm that through a little bit. And all we do, we're just going to rewarm this, and then we're going to, I'm going to put a couple of, show you how to do some over easy eggs in an easy way. How about that? How about that? So anyways, yeah, we're back up here. So that's what we're going to do, and fix it up for you. If you have any breakfast questions, I kill breakfast. So if you have any breakfast questions that you want to shoot my way while I'm online here this morning, or even later if you're watching it later, you can do that. Shoot me some breakfast questions. I'd love to answer those. I love cooking breakfast. We'll do breakfast for dinner all the time, okay? Kind of normal things for us to do.
Did you tell them the only reason we're doing this in the school kitchen is because that's where the leftover food was?
No, I didn't, but
Yeah.
she just did. So she had told me. We had our leftovers in the fridge down here, so I'm
Yeah,
cooking
we
down
didn't
here
take them
this
home
morning.
last night. So we have multiple kitchens. You'll see us in 2 different kitchens.
Yeah, and that's okay. So anyway, I want to get a good little cook on that going. I can turn my heat back up a little bit now. Okay, I didn't want to burn that. But yeah, so breakfast, one of our favorite things to do. I can make eggs like nobody's business, any way you want them. Recently at our son's bachelor weekend, all the guys, I kept asking, how would you like your eggs cooked every morning? And they'd say scrambled. That is so boring. Learn how to enjoy eggs different ways, okay? Fry them hard, easy, medium. You can poach them. You can do all kinds of great things with eggs. And so get experimental and try some good stuff. I got some good sizzle going on right now.
And we are drinking Simply Coffee 412 roast today.
Where's my Simply Coffee?
As always, that's mine.
Oh, okay. be mine. And Joyce is having, where'd it go? Here, I'm over here. Joyce is having, so you've heard of avocado toast, right? So she's doing avocado English muffin.
I wanted tomatoes.
Oh yeah, so we got some great garden tomatoes. It's a great time of year to be having fresh tomatoes. So she's gonna, are you gonna put a slice of tomato on there?
Yes, I am.
She's gonna put a slice of tomato on there. So nothing more. She toasted up her English muffin, some slices of avocado. She does an avocado a day. It's good for you. You gotta learn to like them. If you don't like them, they're fantastic. Scotch butter.
And our homegrown tomatoes, I think these were for Payne's Farm. They are delicious. Okay, I'm getting ready to duck out of it.
So again, Simply Coffee, 412 blend. Good way to wake up in the morning. If you've never tried our 412 blend, you need to do that. It's really good. Ah, that's what I like. I don't know if you can see that little bit of a char right there. You see that char? That's what we want. Almost done here. Joyce, can you hand me a paper towel?
Sure.
I just want to wipe this out here in a second.
Just give me a second.
I don't know. I'm not in a hurry.
I'll be right there.
Not super urgent. All right, I'm gonna get that sizzled again. I'm over here. Here I am. I'm gonna let that sizzle up and get brown on one side, and I'm just gonna literally turn it out upside down. I want that crunch on the top. Okay, if that's just the way I like it. It's really good that way. So we're gonna go ahead and just flip that out on my plate. Just let me get good and brown. A little kosher salt. You're gonna show off your dish, right?
Well, yeah, it doesn't have eggs on it yet, but
So
let me see. Hold on, it's freaking out. Okay, so this is what mine looks like at the moment, and then I'm gonna put an egg, probably a fried egg, maybe an over easy. I want a runny yolk on top of all
Yep.
this. Doesn't that look good?
yeah. So that's what we'll do for her. So I need you to get me 2 more eggs out.
Okay.
You weren't down here yet. I wasn't sure if you were doing eggs.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay. So this is ready. Oh, perfect. There's my plate. It lost me. There's my plate.
Come back.
All right, so we got that all ready. So I'm just gonna wipe this out, just because I don't want my eggs to stick. Okay.
Is it on you? What's the point?
I don't know. Yeah, it's on me. All right, so I just wiped out my skillet.
Oh, this thing.
Turn it, put it on pause, and just move it around yourself. We'll just do it manually. Again, throw my butter in there. I'm gonna hook Joyce up first with her.
Apparently, I don't know how to pause it.
There.
Okay, so more butter in the pan.
Where's my lid for this thing?
You don't have a lid.
Yeah, I got a lid for that.
No.
I don't? I guess I
No.
don't. I should have a lid for this. So I'll use this lid. All right, so just on a flat surface, one time. You want 2 separate, don't you? Put a lid on that. That'll help steam that. Now you can also a little bit of water just to help steam it.
Wow.
Flame's way too high for an egg. We're gonna have egg with lace here in a minute. So about 2 minutes for an over easy egg that way, okay? About 2 minutes. Actually, it's not even gonna be 2 minutes because I had it way too hot. So a little pepper and a little salt. And we got one of these done. I'm actually going to use a spatula. Usually I will pour this out, but I want to keep my butter. Nope, that's not ready for Joyce.
I don't like my whites.
She does not like the whites to be slimy at all. They still got to be completely cooked. So I need to go.
But I like my yolk runny.
Yeah, so I need to go
I am
another
picky.
minute. Yeah, she is. It's got to be. Hers is between over easy and over medium. Okay, that's where she likes her. What would that mean? Is that over medium rare?
I don't
I don't know
know.
what that is. But anyway, she likes because I can always tell if some of the yolk or some of the white is still just a little too gelatinous.
yeah.
Nah, she's not gonna like that. So I just need to do this for just a little bit longer.
I'm picky, but I'm not picky.
Almost there. I see, I would have been fine with that. That's why I almost pulled it, because that's how I would like them, and I'm totally cool with that. I actually like mine sunny side up, so I'm really good with that.
See, I'll do mine over easy because then I know that it gets it cooked.
Yeah.
And keeps my yolk around.
So anyway, that was an easy way to do it. I'll do the next one the traditional way.
Can you see that? The lighting to me looks pretty bad.
I don't know, I think it's okay.
Hopefully you can see that okay. All right, so he's gonna do this other egg.
So this egg, I'm gonna do over easy, but I'm literally gonna over easy it. I'm gonna flip it over real quick and then take it out. These are great looking eggs today. I love it when the egg white kind of mounds up and doesn't run too far out. You know, an old egg will do that, where the egg white will just like really spread out. These really stay together.
I can't wait to eat this. See, doesn't it look like it's just washing it out? Maybe it's better than it really is.
I hope so. Hope y'all can see it.
I'll put it back on you.
So, okay. So anyway, if you have any breakfast questions, or better yet, tell you what are you all eating for breakfast this morning? Those of you that are watching, we got like 9 people watching right now. So what are you eating for breakfast today? Lettuce, and sorry, I hope you saw that. I just did a little quick flip and that's it. So, a little pepper, a little salt. Okay, and now it's already ready. Okay, just that quick. But see, that keeps that gelatinous part. Okay, so you see that one? But you can see the difference between the two. Okay, so it depends on what you're looking for
I'm
pretty.
looking for it to be in my belly.
That's what she's looking for.
Okay, so yeah, it depends on the prettiness that you want. All right.
All right, so back on my plate down here. A little bit more butter. I'm going to go ahead and fry up both my eggs at the same time because I'm putting both of those on top of my dirty rice. So I'm cool with that. I knew she needed hers a little separate because of what she's eating. Plus it gave me a chance to show you 2 ways to do an over easy egg.
I gotta show you this before I take a bite. Can you see that? I am gonna cut that bite in half, but oh my gosh.
So I've got my 2 eggs frying. Can you see those? Got my 2 eggs going on here. So I don't mind mine sunny side up.
This is probably just mean, but here we go.
Good stuff? Awesome.
That avocado, fresh tomato.
Hard to beat it. Good stuff. So we got like 14 viewers right now. Again, the question today is, what are you having for breakfast today, or what did you already have for breakfast today? Let me know. And if you got breakfast questions, let me know. We'd love to hear from you. Love to see what you're all doing. So one of the things that this egg, she's showing her eggs again. Hi, Jackie Hickman. One of the things, this is popping. When I have it, I like to use clarified butter to fry in because it won't pop. We're getting rid of the milk, fat, and the water, but that's what's popping down there is the milk, fat, and the water. So yeah, I'm good right now. So, all right. So my eggs are done for me. So a little pepper. I need some hot sauce. A little salt. We are done. Slide that out. There we go. That's what mine looks like. Okay. We're going to hit this with a little bit of my Patter Fam Heat Neck Red Cajun hot sauce. Right cheered. Good stuff. Now I got a lot of hot sauces I use for breakfast. I'm a big hot sauce guy for breakfast. We have our breakfast blend. We have Holy Cow hot sauce and even hotter stuff. See, oh my gosh. See, look at that. Isn't that good? I'm telling y'all, breakfast just ain't complete without some hot sauce. So, all right, here we go.
Gotta bring it over here.
Yeah, we're gonna move the camera on you again.
Hold on. Hang on.
I'm gonna take a bite of this.
We don't know where you are. All right, there you are.
So-
Let me put it down a little bit.
All right, Joyce, you need to take some food porn of that. That's just fantastic looking, and then I'll steal it from you later because I'm using my camera to film. So again, what are y'all eating for breakfast this morning? What'd you have? Okay. Joyce is getting my food porn down here so we can get some good shots out, put out on our.
You need to cut some yolk.
I'm gonna. So let's do this.
Okay.
So they need to see that too. All right. So there we go. So we're just gonna.
Okay, hold on.
Yummy stuff. So here we go. Some dirty rice,
I need to back it up some.
eggs. Yeah, bring it back up.
Bring it back up.
Yeah. So, my bite. That is so awesome. I have missed that. I don't get to have dirty rice very often. We usually only have it when I have leftovers from a class.
Because I won't eat it.
Because I have to make a big batch of it, and it's just too much for the two of us, and she won't eat it. So, dirty rice. If you want the recipe, it's out on our website. If it isn't on our website or you can't find it, all you got to do is send us a message. I'll send it to you how to make it, but it's super, super easy to make. But if you've never tried I'm not talking about Bojangles dirty rice either, by the way. I'm talking about real dirty rice. You need to try it and try it with eggs. It's fantastic. So we're going to eat this. We have to run a bunch of errands this morning, and we're driving for a couple hours, going down to Lexington, hanging out, and then we're hiking tomorrow. I may shoot y'all something from down there. I don't know. I think we're just doing pizza tonight for dinner. I think it's pretty easy stuff. So
If we cook tomorrow, we'll be in another kitchen.
yes, we will. So anyway, love y'all. Have a blessed day and blessed cooking to you. See you soon. Bye.